If you're not able to receive message on WhatsApp or not showing up your messages, then here's how you can fix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, let's get started. So if you're not able to see the messages until you open up WhatsApp, then there might be certain issue or restrictions on your device which might be causing you this. So what here you need to do is, first of all, you have to enable WhatsApp notification. So open up WhatsApp on your device. At the very top, select the three dot. You could then go to settings. When you go to settings, scroll down, you could find notification. When you go to settings, you could find notification. Select it. So first of all, you might want to enable all of these buttons. Make sure that it is turned green. And you could also scroll down a bit, but these are not necessary. You could just go ahead and do this or toggle the button for these. Next, exit out of the WhatsApp. Then you want to make sure to allow background activity. For that, go to settings on your device, locate apps. You then need to go to WhatsApp. Here, you just want to make sure to scroll down and make sure that you've enabled background activity. So you might be able to find in the app battery uses as well. So make sure to toggle the button for allow background uses. While you're in the same section, you also want to make sure to go ahead and enable permissions. Make sure that you enable all of these permissions. Much necessarily, you need to go to notifications. Make sure that you've toggled the button for notifications. As you've done this, once again, head back to the very home page of the settings or the app info section. Then go to permissions. Then go to storage and cache. Here, clear your cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data. Just let it as it is. Now that you've done this, you go back to the very settings page once again. And here, you want to go to network and internet. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. And next thing, you also want to make sure that you've not enabled any sort of VPN as well. Now that you've done this, exit out, go to your Play Store and type in WhatsApp and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. And next, what you could also do is you could also uninstall it or restart your device by holding onto your side button just like this, and that should definitely help you out. So these are a couple things you could try to fix your WhatsApp message not showing up. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.